So now for problem number 3, it says that E is 5x. Right? This is angle E. And it says the angle D is 9x minus 48. So when you look at that, and I said big equals big, small equals small, but the math might work out to where this big thing, this big angle, is actually a small angle. Yes?
So could you do like 5x equals 9x minus 48?
Yeah.
Because D and H are equal and opposite angles are the same?
Yeah. Yeah. You guys, I'm impressed because you guys are actually doing proofs, but they're alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles are congruent. In other words, the measure of angle E is equal to the measure of angle D. But if we use Mr. Adams' terminology, what would you call this? Big or small? So we know that this angle is going to be big. What do you call this one?
Bigger.
Big. Well, no, they're big. They're the same. So remember that a big angle is always equal to a big angle. Now the math might work out where it's less than 90 degrees, but if you look at the drawing, basically that's how it's going to be. So then what is the measure for angle 5, or E? Well, no, it's 5x. What is the measure for angle D? 9x minus 48. We want to make this look like x equals some stuff, so we just got to do some algebra to find x. But then we got to go back and plug the value for x back into these expressions, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 9x from both sides. By the way, you guys should have your earbuds out and your cell phones put away and paying attention and taking notes. Take your earbuds out. Thank you. All right, so now what's this? What's 5 minus 9? Negative 4x, right? And that's equal to negative 48. What do we do next?
Divide by negative 4.
Very good. Divide by negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is positive 1. Positive 1 times x is x. What is a negative 48 divided by negative 4? 12. Now that's not the answer. That's what x is. So I got to plug that back in. In other words, the measure of E is equal to 5 times 12, which is 60. And then just to make sure, I'm going to plug it into this one here. So I'm going to say, because remember, they should be congruent. So just to make sure, I'm going to say 9 times 12 minus 48. 9 times 12 is 108, right? Minus 48. What's 108 minus 48? 60. The answer is 60. Now your numbers might be different, but that's the process. Does that make sense? Any questions for Mr. Adam? Cool, cool, cool.